Unicellular exocrine glands are made of one cell only. Think what type of epithelium you can see right here. One layer of tall cells and cilia. So that would be ciliated, simple, columnar epithelium. But you can also see a different type of cells here. Here they are. One of them, another one. They are called goblet cells, and they are tiny glands made of one cell only. They produce mucus and release it through the duct on the surface of that epithelium. Most of the glands are multicellular, though, and those exocrine glands are made of the secretory cells, that is a secretory unit producing the secret products, oil, sweat, whatever, and also tube or duct, it's better to say duct, which releases that product on the surface of the organ or the whole body. You're supposed to know classification of the exocrine glands. They are classified by the duct type, simple or compound. Simple, it means they have only one duct. And the structure of their secretory units, the shape of it. Let's talk about it. So, if there is only one duct right here, or right here, just one duct, we call it simple gland, simple exocrine gland. Sometimes ducts branching. You see 3 branching from the main duct. Also 1, 2, 3 branches. That would be compound exocrine gland. Next thing we are paying attention to is the shape of their gland cells. If they are round, if the shape is round, excuse me, we call them alveolar glands. So this would be one duct, round, simple alveolar. This one, the secretory part, is branched. So simple, one duct, branched, alveolar. This would be also simple, but it looks like a tube, so simple tubular. Also simple tubular. You can call it coiled or just simply simple tubular, and that is simple branched tubular. One duct but 3 secretory units. If duct is branched, it will be compound. So branched duct and round secretory units would be compound alveolar. This one, compound tubular, because the secretory units are long. And finally, some glands have both round secretory units and tube-like, and we call them compound tubular alveolar. You have this picture in your book, so please make sure you know this classification. Now, the way how those endocrine and exocrine cells release their product, their secret, is called mode of secretion. There are 2 main modes of secretion. Merocrine would be the first. It means that those products that cells produce, let's say those are some hormones, for example, they are released in vesicles outside of the cell, and cell keeps making new products. So, when something is transported out of the cell in a vesicle, remember it's called exocytosis. Most of the glands release their secrets by exocytosis. But there are other cells. They are called holocrine cells, so that would be holocrine mode of secretion. And they produce their secrets by rupturing of the cell. So cell is born. Cell starts making products. When it's completely full with that product, the cell bursts, it dies, and releases the product. Example of that would be sebaceous glands or oil glands.